everyone, it's Mary Catherine with Pro Realty Group at Keller Williams Winston-Salem. We have very special guests with us today from Fairway Mortgage. I have Ashley and Paige with us, and they're going to be going over some of the topics and questions about the pre-approval process, so stay tuned for more.
So Ashley, we have a lot of people call every day, and one of the biggest requests that we get is to get pre-approved. And I want to know, what are some of the things that you talk to your people about when they say, what do you need for me to provide to verify how much money I make?
Absolutely. So the first thing that everybody needs to be prepared to bring by is going to be their tax returns. We're going to need your full 2 years tax returns, and we'll need all pages and all schedules. We will also need your W-2s and any 1099s, and if you are self-employed, we will probably need your business returns as well. As far as pay goes, we will need to document that with a 30-day pay stub, and that pay stub needs to reflect your year-to-date income as well.
I think another question that a lot of folks have is about down payment, what's required, and really kind of touch a little bit on how we document that and what people need to provide in order to do that.
So for your down payment, we're going to want to see your 60 days bank statements, and on those bank statements you want to watch it. No large cash deposits. Make sure you just deposit your pay stubs if you can, just during this process, and then once it's over you can go back to the way that you operated before, but definitely no cash, no large deposits during this. If you are going to be utilizing your 401k, then we will want to see your most recent 401k benefit statement, and if you are using a gift, get with your lender. We want to go over that with you, go over that process and see which process suits you the best and gets you the proper documentation.
It's really a big question when folks call us is about our credit score requirement, minimum credit scores, what some of the issues can be with credit. I think that scares people and stops folks from calling us to begin with. So what are some things that could kind of set folks at ease to know what we need, what the minimum is, and what we can do to help them?
So our minimum requirements are going to be between a 620 and a 640 credit score. If your credit score is a little bit lower than that, definitely still get with us. Do not be afraid. We are happy to provide some credit assistance, and we're really good at that, and it doesn't cost anything. It's free, so definitely reach out. So if you're at the 620 to 640 range, that's awesome. We have great programs for you there, and then if you are in the 700s, you may be eligible for a few extra programs and some better interest rates that may come with that higher credit score.
Yeah, and to touch base on what they just talked about with if you're struggling with your credit or are really unsure about the home buying process and if you're able to be pre-approved, they're a rockstar team and they're going to take care of you. I've had lots of buyers that have been really unsure about their credit and if they could afford housing. They connected with Fairway, with Ashley and her team, and got pre-approved after a couple weeks. So I would highly recommend giving them a call.
Thank you,
You're
Mary Catherine.
welcome. Last question. I've run into a lot of first-time home buyers lately, and they're asking about down payment assistance. So do you guys offer that? Is that something you can help them out with?
We absolutely do. So with the North Carolina Housing Program, which is the program that we typically utilize, they have some down payment assistance that works in conjunction with conventional financing, USDA financing, FHA, and VA financing. So they can actually get down payment assistance for the down payment, for the closing cost, or a combination of both. All programs do require a minimum credit score of 640, and they do have some income stipulations, so check with us on that. If you are one of the lucky guys that are looking in Guilford County, there's still a really fun program that allows for $15,000 in down payment assistance. So check that out. Give us a call. Let's see if you are actually eligible.
Great. So basically what I've taken away is if you have any questions about the lending process and you want someone to educate you on the programs that are out there and also educate them on the, how the pre-approval process works and different programs, give you guys a call first.
Definitely call us first.
Awesome.
Please. Thanks.
Yeah, well, thank you guys so much for your time.
Thank
really
you.
Appreciate you being here and for all the transactions that we've closed together. My clients have nothing but great things about you guys, so hope we can do more in the future.
Thank you, guys.